Let's say disastrous yung recitation mo today. As in, tinanong ka ng facts, mali. Issue, mali. Ruling, lalo ng mali. Then the professor says, "Sit down." Ang bigat, di ba? And then, the next 2 hours, all you did was replay, what happened in your mind. Here's what you need to do. First and most importantly, give yourself time for a few minutes to feel bad. Normal lang yun. Bad recits really happen. It's normal. But don't turn one bad recitation into your identity. You had a bad recitation. So what? Doesn't mean bad student ka na kagad or bobo ka, After class, tanungin mo sarili mo, bakit ka nahirapan? Hindi ka ba prepared? Kinabahan ka ba? Mali ba yung pagbasa mo ng case? Fix that. And then move on. Because the worst thing that can happen to you after the bad recit is to carry it into the next or into tomorrow's recitation. Professor mo, nakalimutan na yon. Ikaw na lang ang hindi makamove on.